Terry from Columbus has a question about flood recovery.
Well, it was a water event in one of his bathrooms. Okay, so Terry writes, I'm replacing 12 inches of sheetrock, and while removing the baseboards, I found the tile flooring was laid after the baseboards were put in. Okay, so they run up to the baseboard instead of tucking underneath them. When I get new sheetrock installed, my question is, can I use like a no-shrink grout or something to fill the half-inch void between the top of the slab and the bottom of the new baseboards so they're flush with the top of the tile?
I would tell you use a shoe mold, which is another piece of trim that goes on the baseboards. Set the baseboards where you need to set them. Go ahead and use the shoe mold that goes on top of the tile itself. Don't start trying to grout it or anything because you're going to have problems with that. And yes, the floor usually goes in after the baseboards, but because the floor always goes in at the end. The bottom line is they didn't plan the baseboards properly when they first did it, and that's why they had to go against them. And it's a bad detail. But a shoe mold, not a quarter round. People think quarter round, but it sticks out too far. A shoe mold only sticks out a half inch, unless you need a quarter round because you have more space. But usually a shoe mold sticks out a half inch, goes up 3/4 of an inch, and that's the proper trim for going on top of tile or wood or the other products.
All right. You looking for the proper trim? Tom's got it for you. Go ahead and visit HomeShowRadio.
Trim, what was that, David Letterman? Okay.
Click on the Ask Tom button, send it in.
We are old.
We'll answer your question no matter how old we get. Just fill out the Ask Tom form, send it in, we'll answer it. And we'll post it on our website, Facebook page, and our YouTube channel where you should subscribe and click that bell.